Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. So Solana has basically reached our target, came into the middle of our trend reversal area here, reached that $19 level, actually went a little bit below that. That is exactly what we wanted to see. And the current wave count has guided us, I think, really well over the last few days and weeks. The point is now it's time to recalibrate, to take a look, okay, is it likely that we have bottomed or not, and what are the considerations? Are any alternative counts available? I have now added another variation of the count to the chart. Bear in mind that we are looking at this structure and we say, okay, it is at least one of the likely counts that we rallied off the 10th of March low in a wave 1 to the 20th of March high or 19th of March. We then came down in a wave W, rallied in a next wave, and we're coming down in a Y wave, which consists of an A wave, a B wave, and a C wave. And this C wave could be basically complete or nearly complete. And we can use the entire box. This should work out without any larger corrective bounce. And the breakout of the wedge would indicate that we have bottomed and we should rally in an impulse in a third wave. Okay, because this would be a wave 2 low here somewhere. Bear in mind that also in this wave count, Solana can use the entire yellow box to find the low. And that's all the way down to 1778, which doesn't mean it couldn't drop below 1778, but it just means if it does that, it would not be in this support or in this scenario. Within the same scenario, I have now added a subwave count, a different subwave count, a variation of it, because I think there could be another corrective bounce before we come down. It is expected that this happens for Ethereum and Bitcoin as well. So, and I don't have any clear signs that Solana has bottomed yet. But this count is now full. So if the count is full and you have no clear sign that it has bottomed, it could either mean it just extends further down or that another variation of the count is likely. So again, in the main count, which is the white one, which is likely, we could have bottomed maybe one more tiny low, but it could be it. We reacted to the golden ratio, the 61.8 retracement. We could now be moving up, okay? Possible, yeah, it is absolutely possible that this is now bottomed. But it could also get one more tiny low, but I think this is now full, yeah, okay. So it has reached a key level as well. It has reached also the support of the wedge, and the wedge is nearly at its end anyway. I mean, there is not much more that we can move within this wedge. So obviously, until we have a breakout, we will be constrained by the trend lines. But I'm telling you that a first indication that we have bottomed is, first of all, this reversal here, but possible reversal candles, not a very strong signal. It's just something to watch. And if we then get a breakout, which is impulsive, out of this wedge pattern, and together with a break above $20, that would be a good indication we have bottomed, yeah? Or that we first get a corrective bounce here in a wave 4. Now, that is the uncertainty we have to deal with. So the view remains, as long as we hold above 1778, we can get a third wave rally. Now that might mean we break out directly, or we get this wave 4 bounce first and come down then. How is that possible? Well, that's possible because I'm currently counting the move as a WXY, which is basically finished, yeah? A, B, C in wave Y, and then 5 waves in the C wave. Done. However, if we consider that this could also be an A wave, a B wave, and a C wave, then I count the subwaves differently, and the wave C would have started up here, and this would be a wave 1, this would be a wave 2, this all would be a wave 3, because this is a diagonal structure here, yeah? And this would be a 4 and this would be a 5. So one more wave 4 and 5 is possible. Yeah, I'm just saying that to highlight to you that just by breaking out of the wedge does not necessarily confirm that we have bottomed, but it would be an indication. But yeah, these are the two scenarios, but also this wave 5 then of wave C should not really break below 1778. So to stay in this scenario, we just need to hold 1778. As I said to you, below that level, there is another bullish scenario in which price could go all the way down to $12. That would also be corrective it would just involve a reset of this wave 2. At this time, it's something I purely watch. We need to be ready for it. Not necessarily something that we need to focus on at this stage, but if we get closer to 1778, it is something we may have to focus on, right? Again, in the short term, there is no clear sign that we have bottomed, but it's possible. These turnarounds can happen quickly in crypto. You know that. 1 minute it looks like, oh god, we're going to wherever, and in the next moment you suddenly see a spike of 10% and they are moving, right? So that always happens. Okay, but that's my update about Solana. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.